Hey Brog Nation, we have a very exciting product announcement for you today. Our small first aid kit has been in our product lineup for a while. A lot of our customers have them and love them, but it is time for the updated version of the Velcro small first aid kit. We're really excited to release this, so let's hop right in with a couple of the immediate changes you're going to notice on the outside. First off, full Velcro filled. We'll get into more of that later, but pretty much this thing top to bottom, edge to edge is Velcro on the front. And then the most obvious change, and one of the most requested changes, was the addition of a way to keep a tourniquet on the exterior of the kit. We've got a cat tourniquet here. That is not included, but you can easily add that underneath this shock cord, which has tension adjustment on the inside of the kit. This will also fit like some of your other tourniquets out there, like the SOF-T. A lot of those are pretty much the same dimensions, and that's why we wanted to provide some adjustability. And on the back, you got the Velcro that you know and love. That works great with our headrest covers. Slap it right on there. It's a good sturdy mount, and it's accessible to anyone in your rig. Plus, we've got our Velcro panels that are different sizes that you can mount inside a camper or other storage areas on your truck. All right, so back to the front with the updated Velcro loop material, pretty much edge to edge. Of course, you can use an ID panel there, but something we're really excited about is the ability to extend this kit with different pouches. For example, this medium 4x8, you can drop that right on there and use this as like a boo-boo kit for first aid items that you're going to need to just grab without getting into the main kit. Band-aids, prep pads, things like that. All right, so let's jump inside this kit to talk about some of the changes we made on the interior. So up here at the top, you've got the same pocket layout that you know and love from the classic small first aid kit. You've got these large elastic bands that are great for holding gauze, rolls of gloves, stuff like that. And then 3 pockets that are pretty generously sized, so all your first aid supplies will fit in there. It makes it really easy to access all of your first aid supplies when you need it. And then down here, you'll see this new pouch that we've come up with. This one's got the zipper oriented towards the top when it's open, towards the bottom when it's closed. That way, if this is hanging on the seat back or something like that, you can get into that pouch. That same pouch fits on the front of the kit, so you can really extend the capacity of your first aid kit, and then that gives you some options to use some of our other products, like this medium Velcro, right here. It's a really modular kit. You can kind of kit it out to your needs, your gear, and your first aid experience. What I like about this idea is that you can take this front pouch off, throw it in your backpack, get going on a trip, come back, put it right back where it belongs. Kind of one first aid kit for multiple purposes. All right, so that wraps up the updated version of the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Small First Aid Kit. You can find this great pouch and all those accessories we talked about on BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.